1.1. It is an absolute honor and pleasure कि मैं दो लोगों से बात करने जा रही हूँ जो आपके दिल और दिमाग की कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ आपके लाइफ के गोल्स अचीव करने में आपकी काफी मदद करते हैं. Life is all about achieving our vision, and there is a mission that we need to put for ourselves. And I really thank this training institute called Malkin's View, जिनकी वजह से कितने लोगों ने अपने लाइफ के कितने ड्रीम्स फुलफिल किए हैं. But this time there is a magical word attached to it. It's the word free. जब हम फ्री कहते हैं और 6 दिन के फ्री कोर्स में अगर आपको कोई कहे कि भाई it's time to level up, then you have two experts, Vishal and Meghna, joining me at you right now on Radio City, telling us how can we be a part of this seminar, which is starting on the 23rd of October. और इसमें क्या है वो चीजें जिसे आप level up कर सकते हैं. Welcome, Vishal and Meghna. How are you?
Great, Asha. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us.
You know, I always wonder, leveling up is such a generic term, but I think never in the history of my existence have I realized there's so much happening in the dynamic world outside that actually the time to level up is now, when we've been in the lockdown and the world seems to have shifted. क्या आप दोनों इस पे एग्री करते हैं और क्या है वो शिफ्ट जिसके बारे में आप हाईलाइट करते हुए 6 दिन का एक कोर्स करने जा रहे हैं?
Yeah, hi. You know what you said is absolutely right, because ये last 1.5 year में quite a lot of things have shifted. और more importantly, बाहर से ज़्यादा अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा shift आया लोगों में. There's a lot of fear created. There's a lot of apprehension कि अभी क्या होगा. During these times, it is so important to go from a zone where there's a lot of fear and a lot of doubt to a zone where you are completely free to doing what you want to do. Or that is why this challenge. So it's not a, I'd like to correct, it's not a seminar, it's a challenge, and it's a free 6-day challenge where you really want to be helping people to get out of what's stopping them into a zone where they are free to achieve whatever they want to achieve.
Vishal, if I had to ask you that, how is it different from the existing ones? कि बहुत लोग leveling up की बात करते हैं and saying upgrade yourselves, get better with your life goals. How does this stand out, and how is it different from the rest in the market?
So good question is that we have been part of a lot of self-development programs and seminars and motivational programs. So what happens in even the books? So what happens in those programs is that you are charged up for a day or two, and you feel, oh, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that. But then after a few days, you get back to normal in that same comfort zone. So the action taking is missing. So in this particular challenge, that's why we call it a challenge and not a seminar or a course, because every day it will be a small training, but it will be an actionable training. So you're going to do something on that day, and we are creating a community of people who are in the same community where they can share their challenges. And you have to tell that, okay, I did this today, I declared this today. And once you take action, that's when the momentum starts taking in shape. And then the ball starts rolling, because that first step is very important, which people don't even take for years. That first diet or the first trade or the first business or the first job or whatever we are calling it. And that's where this is different from the normal self-help books or seminars.
Tell me, when you think of a lovely plan like this, where you're doing something free for people, is there a certain feel of let's give back to society, or is there a feeling of let's do something to feel good about our existence on earth? What inspires the two of you to actually undertake something like this? It's amazing to me.
Okay, so we have been propagating one thing since many years, is that if you want to make a living, you can go for the formal education. But if you want to make a fortune, you have to go for the self-education. Now as I said, we have been attending a lot of seminars and workshops related to business and related to marketing and sales and all that. But every seminar or program we attended, each of them has one part of mindset into it, which we call the personal development. So we call it PD and BD. Personal development is incomplete without business development, and business development is incomplete without personal development. And that's why we are coming up with this challenge, because if you may be in any field, you may be in radio or TV, or maybe newspaper, you can be doctor, lawyer, engineer, but everybody is a human being and they have similar emotions. And especially after this lockdown, I said that we are stuck up into our comfort zone, or we are stuck up into our fear zone, and we are not able to take action. And the world has dramatically changed. The things which we are doing 5 years back are not working anymore. So we need to level up our game and be ready for it.
Sorry to ask you a very typical question, लेकिन USP अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं इस particular challenge की, तो वो क्या है? Not just about the fact that they'll take action and they'll share that with everybody else, but because I think somewhere when you kind of are highlighting something that is something that you'll achieve through this 6-day workshop come challenge, वो क्या है the thing that stands out the most for you, both of you?
So the USP, I would say, you know, what really emerges out of the challenge is, first of all, this is something that would give you a lot of freedom. Freedom as in freedom to believe that you can do what you set out to achieve. Second is it gives you a lot of fulfillment, because लोग कहाँ पे अटक जाते हैं पता है? They have these big goals and dreams and desires, but they're not able to take action, and that is why they get stuck. को उन्हें लगता है कि they are मेरे में वो capability नहीं है, let me not chase it anymore. But when you're able to take that step and really accomplish it, it helps you feel fulfilled. और freedom और fulfillment के साथ third F तो आना ही है, which is financial freedom, which is the fortune, what do you call it? Because आप जो भी action लोगे, जो भी आपके career में करोगे, it is going to give you a fortune. So freedom, fulfillment, and fortune. But two important things in the challenge, which is, as he said, you know, कि कोई book पढ़ ली या course attend कर लिया उससे नहीं आता है. First is कि आपको action लेने पे हम मजबूर कर रहे हैं. मतलब you have to take action. You don't have a choice. And second is कि you are part of a community. That's why we've created this free Facebook group where there's a lot of action happening. There's a lot of people are inspiring each other, motivating each other to take action. तो ये जो community है, वो आपको अगर action नहीं भी लेना है, the community will force you to take action.
I must compliment the lovely painting behind you. It gives me a feeling of the exact 3 Fs that you just mentioned. There's a lot of freedom in it. There's a lot of movement in it. If I had to take one parting note from both of you, आपका message क्या होगा सारे लोगों के लिए जो life में change चाहते हैं, बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं, and क्यों उनको इस 6-day के challenge का हिस्सा बनना ही चाहिए?
Yes, so my message would be that we are living in a world where there is no lack of opportunities, there is no lack of information and knowledge and wisdom available with social media and Facebook and all that, but there is lack of motivation to take action and lack of push from someone that you can do it, just to reconfirm that yes, you can do it, and that confirmation gives me the courage to take action. And if I can do it in few people or few hundred people which we are doing the challenge, that would be ultimate satisfaction as a coach to me.
And what I would like to say is that people usually pursue money or career or finance, but from my experience of having coached people for the last 12 years, one thing that I've realized is the real fulfillment is when you work on all 3 levels of your life, which is your mind, your body, and your soul. Only then that is what you achieve. That's called the real freedom in life.
Both of you seem to be glowing. I will completely want to be a part of this and get that glow that both of you have, and that beautiful vision board that you have behind you. I'm sure there's a reason you've kept it there, and it's the colors of life, it's the colors of earth. And I'm sure that this entire program reflects your entire lifetime. So don't miss this opportunity is what I'm going to say. But thank you, Malkans, for always coming up with something so innovative and so relevant to today's times.
Yes. And where do you join this challenge is there's a link called leveluptowin.com. Then as soon as you sign up, it's a free thing, and you will get step-by-step kind of a guidance on where to join the group and how you can post. And I want everyone to post like a mirror selfie like this. I want to level up, and let's create a movement for that. And it's going to be 6 days of training, and everybody is invited. Everybody, including the brother, sister, father, mother, kids, everybody, because it's for everyone. Everybody wants to level up somewhere or the other. So we welcome all the viewers and all the listeners here to the Level Up Challenge coming up soon on 23rd of October.
आप दोनों को तो बहुत दुआएं मिलने वाली हैं मेरी तरफ से already in advance. Thank you, Malcolm, and to everybody in the team, the staff who have been backing you up with this program. Lots of love.
Thank you so much for having us. Looking forward to serving.
Radio City.